Good day everyone! So for today, ituturo ko sa inyo kung papaano nga ba mag-change ng display sa inyong smartwatch. Una, pindutin natin tong button here. And then, in order for us to see the menu, i-click ulit natin yung ating bottom here or yung button here. Now, kung makikita ninyo, ito yung current display ko. And then to change that, click the gear icon here, the settings, and then click display. And then after that, click watch faces and look for watch faces. And then you have the option to change the display. So let's say you want that, or you want other display to occur on your smartwatch. So let's say you want this, let's say for example, let me look for a display. Let's say eto, ayan, you want that. So from here, as you can see, so we have a different display now. So that's our display already. Okay? So ulitin ko, click the button to see the menu, click the gear icon, click the display, and then click watch face, and then choose a different display that you want. And that's it.